Now we take the next question. We have to find the area of a triangle which is formed by these three lines. So you have three lines, y is equal to x, y is equal to 2x, and y is equal to 3x plus 4. The triangle formed by these three lines. Let's say these are the three lines. Obviously they will intersect each other. So let's say this is y is equal to x, this is y is equal to 2x, and let's say y is equal to 3x plus 4. Now if you look closely, y is equal to x and y is equal to 2x are lines passing through origin, because we had discussed at this point that if the equation of line does not have a constant, then the line will always pass through origin. Therefore these two lines will pass through origin, therefore their point of intersection will obviously be 0, 0. Both these lines are passing through the same point. So we don't have to find out the point of intersection of these two lines. Obviously we don't have to find out the intersection of these two lines. This we can understand by ourselves. To find the intersection of these two lines, now why are we talking of point of intersection? Because he is asking us to find the area of the triangle. Now we know if the vertices of the triangles are known to us, x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, we can find the area using the formula x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, x1 y1, and we multiply like this and add them and we get the area. So therefore we need the vertices of these triangles. So one of the vertex we know now. For the other two vertices we will solve this equation simultaneously. For this point we will solve this equation and this equation. So we can use any of the methods of elimination, substitution, or cross multiplication. Here substitution is the easiest. We can place x in terms of y. So x is equal to 3x plus 4. Therefore x minus 3x is equal to 4, minus 2x is 4, x comes out to be minus 2. Now x is minus 2, therefore y is what? Y is also minus 2. Therefore this point comes out to be minus 2 comma minus 2. Similarly we can solve for this point we'll solve this equation and this equation. We'll put y as 2x. So 2x is equal to 3x plus 4. 2x minus 3x is equal to 4. Therefore minus x is equal to 4. X comes out to be minus 4. Therefore what is y? Y is 2x. 2 into minus 4, that is minus 8. Therefore this coordinate is minus 4, minus 8. Now we know all the three coordinates. Now we can put this in the formula: half, 0, 0, minus 2, minus 2, minus 4, minus 8, and 0, 0. So this into this 0, this into this 0. This into this is minus 2 into minus 8 is plus 16, minus 4 into minus 2 is plus 8. Then again this into this is 0, this into this is 0. Therefore we are left with only this thing, which is 8 by 2, 4 square units. This is the area of the given triangle. Let's take the next question. Find the equation of line passing through the point of intersection of these two lines and has equal intercepts on the axis. Now what does the question say? Question says we have to find the equation of a line. Let's say this is our line. It is passing through the point of intersection of these two lines. Let's say these two lines are these. This is 4x minus 7y minus 3 is 0, and this is 2x minus 3y plus 1 is 0. Our line is passing through the point of intersection of these two lines, and our line is making equal intercepts on the axis. Now this question can be completed in two ways. Either we use intercept form, x upon a plus y upon b is 1, or we can make use of the fact that if the line makes equal intercepts, its slope is what? Minus 1. Now if we can find out this point, and this is the point of intersection, this we can easily find out by solving these two equations simultaneously. Therefore this becomes our point through which our line is passing, and slope we already know. We can use y minus y1 m x minus x1. Or since our intercepts are equal, we can use this form and we can write x upon a plus y upon a. Since intercepts are equal, a and b are equal, therefore x plus y is equal to a. And this line is passing through which point? It is passing through this point, a. We can substitute this and get a. Either of the two methods are possible. So first of all, obviously we'll have to find out the point of intersection, which we can easily find out. 4x minus 7y is 3, we'll multiply this equation by 2. Therefore, we get 4x minus 6y equals to minus 2. We have taken plus 1 to the right side. Now we'll change the sign. This becomes minus of y, and this becomes plus of 5. Therefore, y is minus 5. Y is minus 5. We can put this value in any of the equations. 4x minus 7 into minus 5 minus 3 is 0. 4x plus 35 minus 3 is 0. 4x is equal to, this is plus of 32, which on the other side goes and becomes minus 32. X is minus 8. Therefore, the point of intersection is minus 8 minus 5. Now we can apply any of the approaches. We know that if a line makes equal intercepts, the slope of the line is minus 1. So we can find the equation using 1 point form. Y minus minus 5 minus 1, x minus minus 8. Y plus 5 is minus 1 times x plus 8. So y plus 5 is minus x minus 8. X plus y is minus 8 minus 5, or x plus y plus 13 equals to 0. This is our required equation. We can also find the solution using this form. Since intercepts are equal, a and b are equal, therefore the equation is x plus y is equal to a. And what is x and y? X plus y plus a will be satisfied by this point because this point lies on the line. Therefore, minus 8 minus 5 is equal to a. Therefore, a is what? Minus 13. Therefore, x plus y equals to minus 13, which is same as x plus y plus 13 equals 0. Either way you can solve it, the answer remains the same. Okay. Now let's take another question. Three sides AB, BC, CA of a triangle ABC are given to you. That is, let's say this is your triangle. This is A, this is B, this is C. Equation of AB is 5x minus 3y plus 2 is 0. Equation of side AC is x plus y minus 6 is 0. And equation of BC is x minus 3y minus 2 is 0. We have to find the equation of altitude through the vertex A. What is altitude? Altitude is the perpendicular. This is the perpendicular. So this becomes quite easy because if we can find the coordinates of A, and what are coordinates of A? Coordinates of A is the point of intersection of these two lines. These two lines are intersecting at this point. If we can find A and we know the slope of BC, from the slope of BC we can find the slope of, let's say, this altitude AD by using m1 into m2 equals to minus 1. And now we will know the slope and point as well, and we can use the formula y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. So we start out with the slope of BC. Now we know how to find the slope directly. Minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y. What is the slope of BC? 1 by 3. Therefore, what will be the slope of AD? Slope of AD into slope of BC should be minus 1 because these two lines are perpendicular. Therefore, slope of AD is what? Minus 1 upon MBC. MBC was 1 by 3. Therefore, slope is minus 3. So, we have found out M. Now, we just need x1, y1. That is point of intersection of these two lines, which we can easily find out by simultaneously solving them. Multiplying the second equation by 5, we have 5x plus 5y, and we'll take 6 to the right side, 30. Minus, minus, minus. This goes, and this is minus of 8y, and this is minus of 32. Therefore, y comes out to be 4. If y is 4, we can substitute in any of the equations. 4 3s are 12 is minus 2. 5x is equal to 12 minus 2, which is 10. Therefore, x is 2. Therefore, the point of intersection of these two lines is 2, 4. Now, this acts as what? x1, y1, because the altitude is passing through 2, 4, and its slope is what? Minus 3. Therefore, now we can find the equation. Y minus y1, which is 4. M is minus 3. X minus x1. Therefore, y minus 4 is minus 3x plus 6. Therefore, 3x goes on the left side. Y plus 3x, 4 on the right side. We have 10. This is the equation of AD. And what is AD? AD is the altitude through vertex A. This is part 1. Now, part 2, also find the equation of median through B. median through B. What is median? Median is the line which bisects the other side. That means this length and this length are equal. Let's say this is E. So we need the equation of BE. Now for BE we need what? The coordinates of B and the coordinates of E. What is E? E is the midpoint of AC. E is midpoint of AC, and for midpoint of AC we'll use x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. Therefore we need the coordinates of C also. Therefore we have to now in this case solve all the vertices. So for B, what we'll do? 5x minus 3y equals to minus 2. We will solve this equation and this equation simultaneously. This is x minus 3y equals to 2. Now 3y part is same, therefore we'll change the sign. This and this goes. We have 4x is equal to minus 4, therefore x is what? Minus 1. If x is minus 1, we will substitute in any of the equations. Let's say we'll use this equation. Minus 1 minus 3y is equal to 2. Therefore minus 1 minus 2 is equal to 3y. Y comes out to be minus 1. Therefore what is coordinates of B? Minus 1 minus 1. Similarly, we can find coordinates of C, and C is x plus y is equal to 6 and 5x minus 3y equals to minus 2. We'll multiply by 3, therefore we get 18. If we add them, we have 8x is equal to 16, x comes out to be 2. Now x comes out to be 2, we can put in any of the equations, therefore 2 plus y minus 6 is 0, so y equals to 4. Therefore the coordinates of C are 2, 4. Now we know the coordinates of all the three vertices. Rather, how is it possible? We've got the coordinates of A as 2, 4. How can we get C as 2, 4? There is a mistake at this point. We have taken the same two equations. We'll solve x minus 3y equals to 2, this equation and this equation. So we'll multiply this by 3, therefore 3x plus 3y is equal to 18. Now if we add them, we get 4x is equal to 20, therefore x comes out to be 5. Now put this in any of the equations. Let's say in this, 5 minus 3y is equal to 2, 3 is equal to 3y, therefore y equals to 1. Therefore the coordinates of C are 5, 1. Now since we know the coordinates of A and C, we can find E now. E is what? Midpoint of A and C, that is 5 plus 2 by 2 and 4 plus 1 by 2. Therefore E is 7 by 2, 5 by 2. Now we know E as well as B, and B is the median. Therefore what we can do, how can we find the equation of this line? By using 2-point form. B is known to us minus 1 minus 1. So now we can use the 2-point form. Y minus y1, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, x minus x1. Assume any one of them as x1 y1, the other one as x2 y2. So what we'll do, y minus y1, y2 minus y1 is minus 1 minus 5 by 2, minus 1 minus 7 by 2, x minus 7 by 2. We can easily solve this. 2y minus 5 by 2 is, this is minus 7 by 2 minus 9 by 2. 2x minus 7 by 2. This 2 goes, minus goes, 2 goes. So 9 goes to the left side, 9 to the 18y minus 45, 7 to the 14 minus 49. So 18y is equal to 14x, 45 goes on the right side, it becomes minus 4, or 18y plus 4 is equal to 14x, 2 can be reduced, 9y plus 2 is equal to 7x. This is the equation of the median through B. This is the median through B.